introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Pushpesh Jha. I'm from New Delhi, India, and I'm second year student of medical in IMS University.
Okay, thank you. What can you say about your hostel life?
See, the hostel life is fun, just like in India. The location of our hostel is such supreme that we have our university at very close distance, like walking distance, and the surroundings of our hostel are so quiet that we get a very concentrating atmosphere to study. And even if we want to buy something, just in front of the hostel we have a small general shop where we get almost everything we need for day-to-day life. And if we want a new clothes and some big things, the mall is very near, like a mall is much nearer than the university itself. And within the hostel the facilities are being given. We actually have separate bathrooms and washrooms in every room. So every room, if there is 3 people living, they have their separate bathroom. And this is I don't think so any hostel in the whole of USSR provides this. And about the hostel life, it's very fun and we love living here.
Okay, could you tell me about your daily routine?
Daily routine. See, we are like millennials, so it's a little bit sleep and wake cycle is not good. But the proper routine is 8 in the morning. We leave for hostel after having breakfast. And breakfast we get bread, we get tea, we get oats, and a very nutritious breakfast we get. And after the breakfast we go to the university. We take our offline classes. Yes, offline classes have been started after the COVID pandemic. So we take our classes. During classes we get breaks, and in the university itself we have a canteen. So if we are feeling hungry, we can go to the canteen and get ourselves some little snacks. And when we come back to our hostel from university for lunch, we get proper Indian food prepared by a proper Indian cook who is experienced for like 20 years in cooking Indian food. So the food is sometimes much more yummier than my mother's own food. So sorry mom, I don't miss your food. Okay, and after that, if we still have some classes left, then we go back to the university. And most of the time the classes are done by the lunchtime. And after that we have all the free time in our hostel. So whoever likes to go to the library goes to the library. If someone likes to go some adventure, some tourist spots, they go there. And then we have our dinner, and then we go to sleep and carry on this cycle every day.
Indian faculty.
Yeah, sure. First of all, in this university, each and every teacher of medical subject is Indian teacher. They are very experienced. They are master of their category. So they teach us according to the syllabus NMC has provided us. They teach us on a competitive level so that will not feel any hesitation during next examination. And the syllabus is very good, the teachers are very good. Even in the library we get books of Indian authors. Yes, like the anatomy book, B.D. Chaurasia, we get that in our libraries over here. And so we don't miss like I left my book in India, I forgot my book in India. No problem, we have that book available in our library. So overall the Indian faculty over here is one of the strongest point of this university.